The instrument panel on new Renault Clio E-Tech Hybrid contains the information essential for your driving. Sit behind the steering wheel of new Renault Clio E-Tech Hybrid and press the Start-Stop button. The digital meters are displayed in color. The message Ready appears when the ignition is switched on and disappears once the speed exceeds about 3.1 miles per hour or 5 kilometers per hour. You can see two gauges, one on each side of the digital screen. This symbol indicates the charge level of the traction battery used by the E-Tech Hybrid technology. This one is the petrol gauge. Your vehicle always starts in electric traction mode. This central display prompts you to adopt eco-driving and helps you optimize the performance of the E-Tech Hybrid technology. It informs you of your vehicle's energy consumption in real time. The blue segment is the energy recovery area. You will be in this area whenever you take your foot off the accelerator pedal or press the brake pedal. During deceleration, the electric motor helps to brake the vehicle and also generates electric current to charge the traction battery. The other segments are areas of energy consumption. The green segment is the recommended consumption area. The traction battery is supplying the energy that the electric motors need to move the vehicle. Lastly, if you are in the white zone, it is because you are accelerating hard and your energy consumption is high. On the road, this diagram shows you the energy flows between the electric power assembly with the traction battery and the electric motor, the internal combustion engine, and the wheels. Here is a list of the flows that might appear. One box shows the vehicle when it is stationary. There are no flows between the battery, wheels, and internal combustion engine. If there is a flow from the battery to the wheels, the vehicle is in 100% electric traction mode. If there is a flow from the wheels to the battery, the vehicle is decelerating and recovering electrical energy. It could be that there is no flow to the wheels. This means that the vehicle is stationary, and there is a flow from the internal combustion engine to the battery. The internal combustion engine is in generator mode. It is charging the traction battery. There is another possible case of a flow from the internal combustion engine to the battery and from the battery to the wheels. In this case, the internal combustion engine is charging the battery and the electric motor alone is driving the wheels. The vehicle is traveling in series hybrid mode. There is also a case where there is a flow from the wheels to the battery and a flow from the engine to the battery. In this case, the vehicle is decelerating. It is recovering electrical energy from the wheels and sending it to the battery, whilst the internal combustion engine is also charging the battery. There can also be two flows from the internal combustion engine to the wheels and from the battery to the wheels. The vehicle is traveling in parallel hybrid mode. The internal combustion engine and the electric motor are both driving the wheels, without any battery charging. There could be three flows too, from the internal combustion engine to the wheels, and from the battery to the wheels, and from the internal combustion engine to the battery. In this case, the vehicle is traveling in parallel hybrid mode. The internal combustion engine also plays the role of a generator to charge the traction battery. There is also the case where there are flows from the internal combustion engine to the wheels and from the internal combustion engine to the battery. Here, the internal combustion engine alone is driving the wheels and is also acting as a generator to charge the traction battery. Lastly, there may be a flow between the internal combustion engine and the wheels. The internal combustion engine alone is driving the wheels. The driving style indicator is another eco-driving aid. The indicator is this leaf, which grows or shrinks depending on your driving. The bigger the leaf, the more flexible and economical your driving. If you follow this indicator regularly, you will reduce your fuel consumption. You are now familiar with the main information shown on the instrument panel in your new Renault Clio E-Tech Hybrid.